Good evening and welcome to my slides for Successful Brands versus Failing Brands by Dominic Nixon. I have chosen to do the Walmart brand and the Kmart brand since I'm most familiar with those brands. So let's get started. First slide is about Walmart and its successful brand. It was founded January 2nd, 1962 by Sam Walton. According to Crunchbase, Walmart is a multi-international retail corporation that operates discount department and warehouse stores. Walmart acquisitions 16 companies. Most recent company was the Corner Shop, which started September 13, 2018. According to Success Story, their target audience is middle class and lower class people. Now, I've personally worked for Walmart, and I can attest that these are usually the audience and the consumers in these stores. Walmart's success. According to Success Story, Walmart is the second largest corporation in the world. Sam Walton decided to sell higher volumes at lower prices, taking a lower margin as a profit. The first year, he received a 45% increase in sales, receiving an annual salary of $105,000, and it increased. By 2005, Walmart had $312 billion, with 3,800 stores nationwide and 2,800 stores around the world. Now we're going to talk about the Kmart brand. The Kmart brand was founded in 1962 by Sebastian Sperling Kersage. According to Crunchbase, Kmart is the large retail store with discounted items. Kmart is a sub-organization of Sears Holdings Corporation. Kmart's failures. According to US Today, Kmart has main reasons it's failing. 1, it's out of date. So if you've seen Kmart or Sears within the last couple of years, it doesn't seem as if, it's up to date. It still looks like a store my grandma shops at, which she does. Number 2, the loss of sales. So being that, more shopping areas are filled with younger crowds and younger people of, I would say, my peers. They don't really shop at Sears or Kmart. I know I don't. So this could attest to the loss of sales. 3 would be losing to the internet. Now, most retail stores have a successful internet base where you could order things offline and then go in store and pick it up, or you could go to the internet and talk to some sales associates that can help you. I haven't seen that within Kmart or Sears internet base. 4 would be merging with struggling Sears. So Kmart was an independent store, and they decided to merge with Sears, which wasn't a good idea because they both were struggling. Next, Kmart's failure continued. According to Business Insider, Kmart attracts shoppers with the average household income of $55,000. Now, a usual household has at least 2, 3, even 4 people. So you can imagine if each person is making maybe $15,000, that isn't a lot. In comparison to Walmart shoppers who earn annually $100,000. According to CNN Money, the Sears brand, Kmart, has spent $67 million on advertising, which includes television, digital ads, radio, and print in the beginning of 2017. In comparison, Walmart spent $227 million. So you can see the big price margin of investing in their advertisement, this can contribute to why Kmart is failing. Diagnosis of brands. The stronger brand versus the weak brand. Walmart, I believe this brand is continually growing because it keeps up with the times of new technology and reaching every potential customer. Now, as a former Walmart associate, we focus on customer service, making sure we reach all the customer needs and making sure they leave satisfied. Compared to Kmart, I believe this brand could grow if they reinvented the way they reach the younger crowd of customers. Now, if you've ever been to a Kmart, most of the people aren't very helpful, and it doesn't seem like they sell things that young adults or the youth would be interested in. They usually sell things that I would believe like the older crowd would be attracted to. Learning lessons. Kmart should become more customer focused. I believe Kmart could benefit if they focus more on how to get customers in the store. If you have more internet options, if you did more advertising, I believe that this will help them become more successful within this time. Government regulations. I believe government regulations can benefit Walmart and Kmart. Net neutrality allows these brands to successfully communicate with their customers and allow consumers to browse their websites. These are my works cited.